Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Shrutika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Swastik Prism City Yellow Charhodi, which is located near Budruk Charhodi, Pune and developed by Swastik developers. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before checking out the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, unlike other current listing platforms if you are just doing an inquiry. Your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Swastik Prism City Yellow will be constructed on 1 acres of land parcel consisting of one tower. Tower will be having basement plus ground plus 13 floors having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट की सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी के बारे में. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. तो अब मेरे बैक एंड साइड में देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के इन फ्रंट आपको मिल जाता है इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर इंद्रायणी रिवर, चरहोड़ी रोड, चरहोड़ी बुद्रुक, पुणे. और ये जो रोड जाते हुए आप देख रहे हैं डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है चरहोड़ी रोड से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है देहू फाटा विद इन 2.3 किलोमीटर, PML Alandi bus stand within 2.9 km and Alandi Chowk within 3 km. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 20 plus luxurious amenities like landscape garden, kids play area, senior sit out area, jogging track, open gym, party deck and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Swastik Prism City Yellow Charhodi has 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences, in which 3 BHK starting from 891 to 1022 square feet and 4 BHK starting from 1294 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Swastik Prism City Yellow Charhodi, which is located near Budruk Charhodi, Pune and developed by Swastik developers. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.